Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use Sendible, which is a social media management tools platform. So to get started with a quick analysis on how to use Sendible. Sendible 2025 is a complete social media management tools designed for businesses, agencies, and solo marketers. To get started, create an account and connect your social media profile like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, X, YouTube, Google Business, and other platforms. So from the dashboard, use the compose button to create content, attach image or videos, and preview how it will look on each platform. So you can schedule posts manually or use the smart queues for optimal timing. The content calendar gives you a picture view of all the upcoming posts, making it easy to plan campaign. Collaboration tools let you also assign tasks, approval posts, and streamline teamwork. Senip also includes features like sentiment monitoring, engagement tracking, and a customizable report. You can respond to messages and comment from one inbox, monitor keywords and brand mentions, and also track analysis across all platforms. The platform offer a content suggestions, integrate with a Canva for designs, and even allows posting via the RSS feed with its mobile app. You can also manage your content and approve posts on the go. Whether you are a solo brand or part of the large team, Sendible helps you stay organized, publish smarter, and measure your result effectively. And that is. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thanks.